If you're choosing between Xero and QuickBooks in 2026, you're about to make a decision that'll impact your bottom line by hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. And here's what most comparison videos won't tell you. One platform gives you unlimited users at every pricing tier, while the other charges you per seat and has raised prices consistently year after year. I'm Yanak Uparkoti, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Xero versus QuickBooks Online in 2026, including a special discount link that'll get you 90% off Xero for 6 months. Let's dive in. Let's start with what everyone cares about, the actual cost. And this is where things get really interesting. Xero's 2026 pricing. Early plan, $25 month. Perfect for solopreneurs and new businesses. Growing plan, $55 month. Unlimited invoices, bills, and features most businesses need. Established plan, $90 month. Adds multi-currency, project tracking, and advanced analytics. QuickBooks Online 2026 pricing. Simple start, $38 month. But here's the catch. Only one user, essentials. $75 month. 3 users maximum. Plus $115 month. 5 users maximum. Advanced, $275 month. 25 users maximum. Now here's where it gets wild. Let's say you're a growing business with 5 people who need access: your accountant, bookkeeper, you, and 2 team members. With Xero growing plan at $55 month, you're done. That's your total cost. With QuickBooks, you need the Plus plan at $115 month just to get 5 user seats. That's $60 more per month, or $720 per year extra just for the same number of users. And as your team grows, Xero stays the same price. QuickBooks, you're either maxed out or paying exponentially more. Use my referral link below to get 90% off Xero for 6 months. That brings the growing plan down to just $5.50 month for your first half year. Let me drive this home because this is huge. Xero includes unlimited users on all plans. Early, growing, established, doesn't matter. Add 5 people. Add 15 people. Add your entire team. No extra charge. This isn't just about saving money today. Think about your accountant accessing your books, your bookkeeper doing monthly reconciliation, multiple business partners reviewing reports, department managers viewing their budgets, your tax preparer at year-end. With QuickBooks, every scenario either requires paying more or sharing login credentials, which accountants hate and violates best practices. Real example. I talked to a business owner last month running QuickBooks Plus. They had 5 users and were paying $115 month. They wanted to add their new operations manager and realized they'd need to upgrade to advanced at $275 month, a $160 month increase just to add one more person. They switched to Xero growing at $55 month. Same features, unlimited users, saving $60 month even before the user addition. After adding their 6th, 7th, and 8th team member, still $55 month. Yearly savings, $1,920. That's the Xero advantage. Okay, so pricing is clear. But what about features? Because none of this matters if the software can't do what you need. Core accounting features. Both platforms handle the essentials really well. Bank reconciliation with automatic transaction matching. Invoicing with online payment acceptance. Expense tracking and receipt capture. Sales tax management. Financial reporting. Profit and loss. Balance sheet. Cash flow. Honestly, For 90% of small businesses, both platforms are equally capable here. Where they differ: reporting and analytics. QuickBooks has more built-in reports, over 100, compared to Xero's 60+. If you need super detailed custom reports and forecasting, QuickBooks Advanced might be worth it. But Xero's reports are cleaner and more visual. Most business owners find them easier to understand without an accounting degree. Inventory management. QuickBooks wins for complex inventory needs. If you're running a retail store or wholesale operation with thousands of SKUs, QuickBooks has more robust inventory features. Xero's inventory works great for service businesses and companies with straightforward product tracking. And you can add Inventory Plus for advanced features if needed. Integrations. Xero. 1,000 plus app integrations with an open API. QuickBooks. 800 plus apps, deeply integrated with Intuit ecosystem. Both integrate with all the major players: Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, Square, Gusto, Payroll, etc. User experience. This is subjective, but in my testing and from talking to dozens of business owners, Xero's interface is consistently praised as cleaner, more intuitive, and more modern. QuickBooks has more features packed in, which some people love and others find overwhelming. Here's who Xero is perfect for, and honestly, this covers most small to medium businesses. 1. Growing teams. If you're adding employees, contractors, or collaborators, Xero is a no-brainer. Your costs stay predictable, while QuickBooks would scale up dramatically. 2. Budget-conscious businesses. At $25.90 month for unlimited users, Xero delivers enterprise-level features at startup prices. Growing plan at $55 month matches QuickBooks Essentials at $75 month, but with more users and features. 3. International businesses. Multi-currency support starts at $90 month with Xero's established plan. QuickBooks requires their $115 month plus plan for the same feature, and remember, that plus plan only gives you 5 users versus Xero's unlimited. 4. Service-based businesses. Consultants, agencies, designers, developers, professional services. Xero handles everything you need: project tracking, time tracking, expense management, client invoicing, all built in without the inventory complexity you don't need. 5. Modern, tech-forward companies. Xero's clean interface, powerful API, and 1,000 plus integrations make it ideal for businesses that want flexibility. The platform just feels more modern and intuitive. 6. Businesses working closely with accountants. Many accountants actually prefer Xero because it's easier to collaborate on. The unlimited user access means they can jump in anytime without juggling logins. Real user feedback. According to Business.com's 2025 review, Xero is consistently rated higher for ease of use. The unlimited users feature is cited as a key differentiator for growing businesses. Look, I'm being 100% honest here. QuickBooks is still the right choice for certain businesses. 1. Complex inventory-heavy operations. Running a retail store, warehouse, or product business with complex inventory? QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced have features Xero can't match out of the box. Assembly items, back orders, advanced inventory reporting. QuickBooks is stronger here. 2. Deep reporting nerds. If you need 100 plus reports, custom report building, and advanced forecasting tools, QuickBooks Advanced might be worth the premium. CFOs and finance teams who live in spreadsheets often prefer QuickBooks' reporting depth. 3. Already deep in Intuit ecosystem, using TurboTax, QuickBooks Payroll, QuickBooks Payments, and other Intuit products, the integration is seamless. There's value in staying within one ecosystem if you're already there. 4. Very small team that won't grow. If you're truly a solo operation and will always be solo, QuickBooks Simple Start at $38 month could work. But even then, you're only saving $17 month versus Xero, growing $55, which gives you unlimited users for when you eventually hire a bookkeeper or work with an accountant. 5. Industry-specific needs QuickBooks has built-in features for construction, nonprofits, and manufacturing that Xero handles through third-party apps. If those native features matter to you, that's a consideration. Here's my bottom line. After testing both platforms and analyzing the numbers, choose Xero if you're a small to medium business under $10M revenue. You have or will have multiple users, team, accountant, bookkeeper. You want predictable costs that won't balloon as you grow. You value modern, intuitive design. You're service-based or have basic to moderate inventory needs. You want the best value, seriously, 40-50% cheaper for similar features. You need multi-currency support affordably. Choose QuickBooks if you have complex, inventory-heavy operations. You require 100-plus reports and deep analytical tools. You're already entrenched in the Intuit ecosystem. You're solo and will genuinely never add users. Budget isn't your primary concern. For 75-80% of small businesses watching this, Xero is the smarter choice in 2026. The math. Let's do a real 5-year comparison for a growing business. Xero growing. $55 divided by month times 60 months equals $3,300. QuickBooks Plus, $115 divided by month times 60 months equals $6,900. Savings with Xero, $3,600 over 5 years. That's $3,600 you can invest back into your business, marketing, hiring, equipment, anything but software licensing fees, and that's assuming QuickBooks doesn't raise prices, which historically they do every year. The actual savings could be $4,000, $5,000 plus. Click my Xero referral link below for 90% off your first 6 months. That brings the growing plan to $5.50 a month to start, basically the cost of 2 coffees, to test out professional accounting software with unlimited users. There you have it, everything you need to know about Xero versus QuickBooks in 2026. Both are solid platforms, but for most small businesses, Xero delivers better value, unlimited users, modern experience, and significant cost savings. Click that Xero referral link in the description to get started with 90% off for 6 months. If this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, hit that like button and subscribe for more small business finance content. Thanks for watching.